That's Cam. We'll go on afterwards. It's mowing the grass.
Yeah, remember that old Monster garage? What was that, a Fox body?
Yeah, they made a mower.
Is that Monster garage?
Yeah, I think you're right. Just Jesse James's thing.
James, yeah.
Well, they attached it to the back though, didn't they? Like.
No, I think you opened the door and it fell.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. That was lame. So. Yeah, headers too. Headers intake. I don't know whose intake though. I'm going 483.
It's an air raid.
Is it an air raid?
Yep.
I can't read too good.
43 sounds like a solid.
Be a scumbag and go like 45.
I'll go 8 or 80.
So it's still scumbagish.
Yeah.
Okay.
But that covers like all the lower numbers. You got all the higher ones.
Yeah, I guess.
I hate guessing.
Okay.
Terrible at guessing.
Yeah, you are. We'll go Sean 470.
460.
Okay.
Round down.
No.
Always round down with horsepower.
You don't go down. I'm 1 away. You were 2 away. I win. You're.
Let me on this car.
Let me check out the LME jaunt.
You can check it out when I'm ready to come down.
You're such a scumbag.
I'm trying to just film this fucking car.
I want to stop you with what you're doing so I can look at it.
I don't think you are.
I'll go check out what Matt and Sean
You
are
can
doing.
go check out what Matt and Sean are doing, and I guarantee by the time you come back, I might have it down.
Guarantee you might. Okay.
Yeah.
60% of the time it works every time.
Brian, I'm gonna be honest with you, that smells like pure gasoline.
They've done studies, you know. 60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, SS. What are you doing, Matthew?
Well, I'm doing heads and a fast.
Ooh. Ooh. You haven't done a fast in a while. This is one we did previously, didn't it? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Not too long ago. We just did what?
We just did a cam package.
Cam package. Okay. So it's already got valve springs, all that good stuff.
Which it's getting
New NEO.
new, yeah.
Well, you got to change the valve springs when you do the cam.
It's neither here nor there, Steve.
And then when you're doing heads, we already have everything already built in with the heads already done, so.
You know what my next project is, Steve?
What?
Big surprise.
I don't know. Are you teasing the viewers?
No, I'm not.
Chevelle?
Chevelle?
No, French Chevelle.
Oh, French Chevelle. No.
You said big surprise, so I don't know.
I mean, it's not a surprise, but it's been a long time coming.
What? Louis' car? Really? Nice. I bet he's excited. I'm going to be documenting the build, but we're going to be holding off on showing for now. So stay tuned for the plans for boosted C6.
I know him. I know him.
And then Sean just... And then Sean's doing a little head cami.
Mamo.
Mamo MSD. Nice. I've stopped saying it recently.
I appreciate that.
Mainly because Fran was like, just stop, it's annoying now. I'm like, and I was like, I know, I'm just doing it to piss him off.
It doesn't really piss me off. It's just you sound dumb for not knowing how to pronounce somebody's name.
I know how to pronounce your name. You have to know the backstory to it. It's more of Eric's thing for you.
It is. He started it.
He's got the car down. I'll be back. I got to check out the LME jaunt. He's gonna like raise the car back up. Be a scumbag.
It's all done. Here we go. Start it up.
Just start it. Where's your light bar?
Over there.
Well, it just looks like black. I need light, Eric.
I don't know what to tell you.
It looks alright, I guess.
Looks better than that f***ing gold you got under your hood.
Whoa. Whoa, now you're just crossing the line. This thing needs gold.
It was funny reading some of the comments where guys like, I know the back's Photoshop, but the rest of the car's sick. I'm like, this guy's crazy.
The rest of the car is sick.
Yeah.
Don't be jealous.
Makes me sick.
You're just mad because it puts out double the horsepower of your Nova.
I don't care.
About as sick as vomit.
Yeah. My Nova also has a fucking 1969 Chevy small block in it.
Yeah. So? Mine's a Chevy small block.
Yeah, from what, 2006?
02. They didn't make LS1s and LS6s in 06.
They made them in 04.
Yeah, well, not 06, Eric.
What?
God.
Are you alright?
And actually 05s they did too because of the CTSVs.
Actually, BMW was made in 1914 by the airplane.
It has to go in the video.
What the hell?
Everybody can see how he has Tourette's. I'm sorry, but he's got something the matter with that boy, man.
What the hell was that?
Just listen to you and your fucking BMW thing.
I didn't even talk about BMWs. We were talking about LSs.
Same thing.
Same thing.
God, can we hear that voice again? Like, really get into it?
That was like a dorky Bill
that'll never
Nye
happen again.
mixed with.
Well, yeah, well, we're going to see it on video.
Yeah, it's going in.
Actually, BMW was made in 1914 by the airplane.
All we did was basic bolt-ons, wasn't it? No cam or anything.
Yeah, no, like everything but heads and cam. Still stock clutch, but headers, ported blower, meth, upper pulley, heat exchanger, flex fuel, fuel system.
a bolt-on.
Yeah, it just made 809.
No cam, no heads.
Nope.
It's pretty
And then
bad.
780 torque. And I did it back to back, and then it made 807 and 774.
Nice. He's gonna need a tire now.
We got them coming.
Yeah? Any wheels or just same wheels?
Same wheels.
Okay. I know he likes his stock looking stuff.
He likes my Forge lines too.
Does he? Yeah, but those look like factory plus.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, yeah.
that's my style too. Like I
Yeah, I
like
agree.
stuff that's like OEM plus.
Yeah. Yeah, he'll probably get a set, but we're just gonna put tires on these for now.
Nice.
Should run good.
Yeah, I'll say.
I just texted him because yesterday when it was making like 760 or it made 750 on pump or whatever, and I sent him how much it made. He's like, it's not enough, and I just sent him a screenshot of it. I said, is this better? He said, needs more.
Funny. Get it? No Malibu. Do you hate the fast yet?
Oh, well, I was hoping it was going to be less annoying than the MSD, but it's not.
Yeah, no, I think they're not annoying.
It's pretty fucking equally annoying.
They're prettier though.
Yeah.
Holy shit!
Yeah, I came from man. Less than 2.5. There was no traffic whatsoever.
I mean, it is.
Hi,
Hey, buddy. How are you? Good to see you. Long time no see.
What's up?
Not much.
Brought food.
I see that. Jesus Christ.
I'm
Holy
hungry.
cow.
Just don't be peeing on his car.
Right over there.
Can't see the
What do you
plate.
think? You gotta take that down.
Only good ones.
Pizza Boy's here.
What's up?
Found
Yo,
another way
pizza
home.
reviewed.
There's Pizza Boy.
Do you know that was the director?
What's up?
Oh, there really?
Pizza Boy's the director of Fast
Was it?
Furious.
Pizza Boy was.
Pizza Boy.
What the hell's going on around here? Streets closed, Pizza Boy. Find another way home. Goddamn street racers.
I didn't know that.
God
The guy
damn
who was
street
driving the fucking-
racers.
The skyline.
That was the director. No.
All right, goddamn.
Damn.
I tried.
Tomato pie
Oh, that's his pie.
I brought him 2 of those. And there's one with broccoli raws, grilled chicken, cherry peppers.
Look at that. How do you say peppers?
Cherry peppers.
Cherry peppers.
All right, I got
Peppers.
it. I've had a pizza the last hour and a half.
The cherry peppers with the peppers?
Been waiting for you.
It was 5 minutes.
I know, but I'm ready to make a pull, so that seems like a half hour.
Yeah.
He's doing good.
She's a little fat.
Huh?
She's a little fat.
I know, and it just made 614.
I was gonna guess right around 600, so it's pretty good. Stock intake manifold.
Yeah. 30 something torque it looks like too.
It's all those race proven motorsports valve covers. Someone asked in one of the comments one time if they add power.
Ask if what add power?
The valve covers add power. Did you see
I
that?
assume, I hope they weren't serious.
I hope not either, but